Swiss Army lanyard. Take 1. Actually, take 20 about. Just pretend it's take 1. Simon? Yep. What are you doing? Cleaning? And now we've moved inside to the workbench to break down piece by piece the Swiss Army lanyard. And none of this is really new. This is mostly stuff I've seen online or in books or at work. The only thing I haven't seen quite as often is the choking setup or the cinching lanyard. Usual way I would use this lanyard, it's a 5/8 wire core flip line. Steel clip would clip in to a D-ring on a harness. Let's pretend these are 2 D-rings off a climbing harness. And then the wire core flip line would clip into that with the rope grab, cam adjusting. If I wanted to pass a branch or add a second lanyard, the way that would work is to clip the tail of the same flip line into my harness somehow, and then this kind of makeshift prusik with a tender. Pretty well known, widely known how to pass a branch with 2 lanyards like this. Those are 2 ways to use the Swiss Army lanyard, and the reason for the little prusik is so that the clip doesn't get side loaded, right? So now all this is in tension as it's designed to be. Ooh, soul music. Whereas if you clip it to itself, this cinches, and as it cinches, this part of the clip side loads, clips into the bridge. Comes the whole second lanyard, which would clip in. Let's see what I got going on here. Okay. So now hopefully you can see how this is cinching, right? So when you put weight on the darker rope, right, when this rope loads up, it pulls the eye and the rings together. As those pull together, whatever this is wrapped around, it just down. So that's cinching, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching.